Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Foundation Tier Paper 1 Maths GCSE from November 2018. And this question is question 24 and we're on a question about estimations. So in this case we've got a plane travels at a speed of 213 miles per hour and we've got to work out an estimate for the number of seconds that it will take the plane to travel 1 mile. So for estimates, that basically means rounding things up. So we can see we've got 213 miles per hour, but that's a bit of an awkward number to deal with. So instead of saying 213, what we might do is we will say that that will be 200 miles per hour. So that's close. It's just an estimation of it, and it makes the calculation a lot easier to do then. So if we know that we're doing 200 miles per hour, we can see that the question is actually asking us to work in seconds. So what we're going to need to do is convert this hour into seconds. So as an intermediary or middle step, what we can do is convert the 1 hour into minutes. So we know that that would mean that 200 miles could be done in 60 minutes because there's 60 minutes in an hour. The next step is to convert that 60 minutes now into seconds. So because there are 60 seconds in every minute, we can actually multiply that 60 minutes by 60 and that will give us the number of seconds that we've got. So we've got 60 times 60 seconds. So we're going to just need to work that out at the side because we're on a non-calculator paper. So the first thing I could just do is do what is 6 times 6, and that will be 36. And then we can see that actually we've got 2 zeros that we're missing if we wanted to do 60 times 60. So actually 60 times 60, we can put those zeros back in and we've got 3,600. So actually what we're doing is 200 miles in 3,600 seconds. So now we're getting close to the answer. We want to know how long in seconds will it take for the plane to travel 1 mile. So we've got to go from 200 miles to 1 mile. And to do that, what we would have to do is divide by 200. So dividing by 200. And so that's going to also have to divide the number of seconds by 200 on this side as well. So our answer is going to be 3,600 divided by 200, and we can say divide by writing it as a fraction because that means the top divided by the bottom, and that's quite handy because we can then cancel the zeros there. So we can cancel that 0 with that 0, that 0 with that 0, and what we're left with is just 36 but divided by 2 for our estimate. So if we do that, then the 2 goes into the 3 once and then carry 1. And so 2 into 16 is 8. So we can see that our estimate is that it's going to take 18 seconds. Now I've got to remember that that's an estimate. It's not actually the exact figure. And that's what part B is talking about. So it says, is our answer to part A an underestimate or an overestimate? And we've got to give a reason for the answer. So we know this 18 is going to be close to the true answer, but it's going to be either above or below the real figure. So if we look at what we've done in the calculation, what we've done is we've taken our 213 and we've changed it to 200, which means that in our calculation we've said that the plane is going slower than it really is. And what that means is that in reality it would have taken us less time to travel that 1 mile. In which case, if the true figure is less than the figure that we've calculated, the 18 seconds, what we've done is we've overestimated the amount of time that it would take. And that's our answer, and we've given a good reason as to why we've come up with that answer as well. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, we'd love it if you would give our video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.